Hi, this is Jen with lavenderandlatte.com, and today I want to show you how to use the roller fitment that you get in your premium starter kit from Young Living. Young Living also sells these in packs of 10 if you want to get more. So what makes these great is that they fit 5 milliliter bottles and the 15 milliliter size bottles. So you can just pretty much put it on any one that you want. Just choose the bottle that you want to put it on first and take the cap off, obviously. And you want to get this reducer off too. And to get that off, you can rock it back and forth, and that should pop it off. There's also a tool called the Swiss key that you can get on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below. But this makes it super easy to get the reducers off, especially for like the little drams that you use for travel or sharing or something like that. So I love this guy too. So once you have your reducer off, you just place the fitment in the bottle, and sometimes they'll snap in easy and sometimes they won't. But once you get in, you'll realize that it's loose. And I'm not going to admit how long it took me to figure this out when I first got it. When I first got this and I tried to put it on, I thought it was defective and I was ready to call Young Living, but I thought there has to be a way. So I'm not going to tell you how long it took me. But anyway, all you do now is you twist the cap on, and then when you take it off again, it's tight. So you can use it and roll it, and you're good to go. So if you want to take this off, you empty your bottle. All you do is rock it. You don't twist it when you put it on. You just put it on and then rock it back and forth, and this becomes loose again and you're able to take it out. So yes, you can reuse these. It's a stainless steel ball. So just, you might want to wash it before putting it on a different oil, of course. But yeah, made a little bit of mess. So yeah, once you have it on, you're ready to go. Really quick, really easy. It doesn't have to be hard, and you don't have to waste a lot of time on it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.